guys, it's Kids on Playground here. Welcome, and we're in the second part of the Christmas Decorator. So, if you don't have any of this code, you can totally copy it out right now. Feel free to pause the video. So we have this, we have this, we have this, we have all of this. So if you don't have any of this, I'm gonna go here. So you guys can copy this down. Feel free to pause. So these are these three parts. You can copy off of these three parts right now. Feel free to pause the video if you don't have time to copy it off that quickly. And candy cane, this should be really simple, just like that. Same with the stocking. With snow in the backdrop we didn't do yet. So let's work on the music, cause I like music. So let's get on the music. So when the green flag is clicked for music, so we gotta add the extension. So there's music, pen, video sensing, blah blah blah, text to speech, makey. I've used most of all of these, so the music should be really simple. It takes a lot of time to do it, but it's pretty simple and it's easy to code. Do it in the backdrop because it can play sounds. So go forever, play note 64. So when you click on this, it will find a whole entire piano keyboard, and let's see. So it'll have a whole entire piano. So I know how to play piano because I do play piano. So this is the C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G, this is A, this is B, and this is C again. So we're not going to use, we're not going to use C or any of those stuff. So we're going to use 64, which is E. So E, and then we can just duplicate this because it's Jingle Bell. So we can duplicate this again. What? It keeps on playing. So I think it's here for 7 times. And the third one, you got to make it 0.75. A little bit longer, like da 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 da. If you ever heard Jingle Bells, it's like da da da, and the third beat it has that. So let's duplicate. So you can already hear the thing. This is 0.7 as well. So let's hear this. So let's hear it. So we need another of these 0.25s. Yeah, 0.25s. Yeah. So it's a 0.25, another 0.25, and a 0.75, a 0.25, a 0.25, and another 0.75. So we need 6 of those and another of those. So let's do this. Put this right on the bottom, and we have to play a different note. So let's go. Let's see. Da 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 da. So duplicate 67, which is it's G. So 67. Then back to, and then 60. We do use C. I actually think we do. Yeah. Da da. And then the 62. I think 62 is D, so for 0.25 beats. And then play note 64 for 1 beat, just 1 beat. And let's do this. So we're gonna play note 65 for 0.25 beats. We're going to duplicate this again because we're playing this again. And then we're going to add this on. And then play note 65 4.5, which is larger than 0.25, which is 0.50, which is 0.50. So 0.5, and then we have 65 again right over here. So I think we should hear it first because, yeah, this is good. Yeah, okay, and then duplicate. This is 64, 4.25, 64, and then another one, another 64. So a 6.5, another 6.5, two more 6.4s, another 6.4, and so I'm missing two 6.4s, so let's put this on. And then we need a 6.2, which is possibly D, and another 6.2, 4.5 instead of 0.25, and then let's do 64 again for 0.25 beats, and then we play 62 for 0.75, and play 67 for 0.5 beats. So we did not finish the whole entire Jingle Bells because it's just like a part of it is just so much. So you guys can definitely watch a tutorial how to play on a piano, and then do it on your own and then finish the Jingle Bells if you want. And then we're gonna work on the snow. So I'm gonna show you how it works. So right now we have the Santa, the Jingle Bells are playing, stocking, candy cane, gift box, gift tree. So we have all this. So we put on the forever so make it go on forever. So let's work on the snow now. So this has a lot of code. So let's start on our variables. So we're gonna make a variable called wind. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll go forever. Let's zoom in a little bit. And it'll set wind to pick random 1, -1 to 1. So make like the wind go, like the snow go around here. So let's see. So when the green flag is clicked, we'll set ghost effect to 100, and it'll go to the position. I already have it, and the Y240. Change this, and forever it'll create a clone of myself. And it'll wait a pick random of seconds. So it'll wait pick random 0.005 to 0.01. And the snow will start falling. So when I start as a clone, it'll set size to pick random 60 to 90. So it'll be 60 to 100. You can do that if you want. So some snow will be bigger, some snow will be smaller. And it'll go to it'll go to pick random. Let's just duplicate this pick random. Negative 240 to 240. And the Y is 220. So it's going to be all around here because this is X and this is Y. So it'll be all around here. I'll repeat 4 times. It'll change ghost effect by minus 20. So yeah, I think this is one. Change ghost effect by minus 20, negative 20. So this will make it more dimmer, which is which is good. So I'll repeat 2 times. Change Y by negative 5. So fall down. And then it'll change X by wind. So go around and around and around. Yeah, so go a little bit to the right. So that's basically what the wind is. And a little bit to the left. So, and it'll repeat until... So there's a lot of hunk of code here. So it'll repeat until... So actually, this is not needed. What I just coded is not needed, this part. So we can just move into here and then delete the repeat 2 times and put this back up. So you need an OR and another OR and another OR and another OR and another OR, which is the 4-4. So 4 ORs, 5 things. So if it's touching the gift box, or it's touching, so I'm just going to duplicate this, or it's touching the tree, which is the Christmas tree. And if it's touching the Santa, I meant the Santa, or the candy cane, or the sock, which is the stocking, or the, oopsies, we need this OR to be inside, or this sock, or the edge, it'll disappear. So let's do this. Where's edge? Right there. So a bunch of ORs. So, and let's work on some other things. So let's repeat until, repeat 10 times in an if-then statement. If then it's not touching color white, what is this white? Then it will change Y by minus 2. Change Y. And then it'll change X by a divide by the wind divided by 2.5. It'll go to the ghost effect. It'll change the ghost effect. Change ghost effect by 10 outside of here. So and then delete the clone right afterwards. So delete outside. So let's try. Sorry about this, guys, but we do actually need to repeat 2 times. I thought that was not needed, but it actually is. So you have to do the touching edge. So because if it doesn't, that means it will get on the it'll touch the edge, which is on the top. So it'll disappear on the top. So you need to repeat 2 times. Change Y by -5, and then just duplicate it. Now let's try it. See, look, it's working! Yay! Look, it's not touching when it touches the candy cane, it goes away. But we didn't do the tree because the tree. But when it's touching the present box, the gift box, or the stocking, it'll disappear. But when it's touching the tree, it won't. So it looks better. So, anyways, I think that might be it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, let's rename this before we go. Christmas Tree Decorator. So let's type that. So let's do this. So anyways, see you guys for this video. Merry Christmas, and see you guys next time.